Subject EVS. Name of the lesson is Food We Eat. Name of the lesson is Food We Eat. Lesson number 1. So, food we eat. Say daily we are eating food, isn't it? We eat different kinds of food. Day by day we are eating different kinds of food. We need food to live, it helps us to grow, it gives us energy to work and play, it keeps us healthy, isn't it? So, we eat food. So, name of the lesson is Food We Eat. Nammo சாப்பிடுறோம். What and all we are eating food. You can see there. We all need food. நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும் சாப்பாடு வந்து ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது, ரொம்ப தேவைப்படுது. So, we cannot live without food. நம்ம சாப்பாடு சாப்பிடாம இருக்க முடியாது. We need food. நமக்கு எதுக்காக சாப்பாடு தேவைன்னா because it helps us to grow. நம்ம சாப்பிட்டாதான் நம்ம வந்து வளர முடியும். Grow means வளருது. So, next one, it gives us energy to work and play. நம்ம சாப்பிட்டாதான் நம்ம வந்து ஒரு வேலை செய்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு விளையாடுறதுக்கெல்லாம் நம்ம வந்து சக்தி பலன் கிடைக்கும். ஸோ இட் ஹெல்ப்ஸ் அஸ் டு ஸ்டே ஹெல்த்தி. ஸோ நம்ம ஆரோக்கியமாக இருக்கணும்னா நம்ம வந்து நல்ல சாப்பாடு சாப்பிடணும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் we get food from plants and animals. ஸோ நம்ம வந்து we get food from plants and animals means நம்ம செடியிலேருந்தோ நம்ம மிருகத்துலேருந்தோ நமக்கு வந்து சாப்பாடு கிடைக்கும். See, for example, so many plants, vegetables we are getting from plants, isn't it? So animals, from the animals na koli, hen will leave eggs, isn't it? So we get food from plants and animals. You can see the picture here. This is a plant. See, this is a cow. And this one food help us to stay healthy. If we eat only, we'll grow like this. Next one, see here. It gives us, see, energy to work and play. You can see the picture here. See here. Food help us to grow. You can see the picture now. It helps us to grow. Okay. Now next we are going to learn about plants gives us food. Plants also gives us food, isn't it? Plants gives us cereals like wheat, rice and corn. Already in volume 2, the same lesson has been I have explained to you. So plants gives us cereals means this one. Like wheat means godama, rice, arsi, corn, that baby corn do you like, isn't it? So plants gives us pulses na dhanigal, the paruppu vagaigal. You can see that this is a pulses, isn't it? We say no pairu, thoram paruppu, that we put for sambar, isn't it? So grains, so like pea, moong dal, gram. So plants gives us fruits and vegetables. Plants gives us fruits and vegetables, isn't it? Plants gives so many fruits and vegetables also. You can see the pineapple, banana, orange, grapes. So vegetables, see there, you can see the brinjal, lady's finger, carrot, cauliflower. Okay. See, this is a corn. This we call it as a corn. Chola we say no. That is we call it as a corn. Okay. Next we'll go to page number 34. Next, animals also gives us food, isn't it? We get meat. We get hen from eggs, isn't it? கோழில நம்ம வந்து முட்டை சாப்பிடுவோம்ல. So we get meat, egg, fish and milk from animals. What and all we get from animals? We get meat, egg, fish and milk from animals. Meat, eggs, fish and milk. We get this item from animals. Kinds of food. There are different kinds of food. There are 3 main kinds of food. 3 variety undu. First one is energy giving food. Energy giving foods. We eat different kinds of food every day. Daily if we eat sambar, you will get bored. So daily your mother will prepare daily different kinds of food. So for example, rice, potatoes, butter, cheese and sugar or energy giving food. So these are all energy giving food: rice, potato, butter, cheese, and sugar or energy giving foods. Okay, they gives us energy to work. If you eat this foods, you will get more energy to work, play and think. யோசிக்கிறதுக்கோ your brain will get developed, isn't it? Okay, when we do not have energy, நமக்கு உடம்புல சக்தியே இல்லைன்னா, பலனே இல்லைன்னா, what we feel, how do you feel? We feel tired. ரொம்ப சோர்ந்து போய் டயர்டாக இருக்கும், சோர்வாக இருக்கும், isn't it? If you one time you are not eating food, so you will become very tired. ரொம்ப டயர்டாகிடுவீங்க. ஒரு வேளை சாப்பிட்லன்னா நீங்கள் வந்து டயர்டாகிடுவீங்க. So you have to eat regularly. Morning breakfast time you have to take some milk. Morning breakfast எடுக்கும்போது ஒரு glass of milk எடுத்துக்கணும். Afternoon you have to fix one time and you have to eat the lunch properly. And the evening time you have to fix one time. 8 o'clock means 8 o'clock you have to have your dinner, isn't it? So we need food. So when we do not have energy, we feel tired. Already explained you. From the food items given in the picture above, how many food items do you eat? They have given here. See here, you can see there. See, there are so many items they are given here. Number 2, body building food. Body building food. So as soon as I have shown here, see here. Food help us to stay healthy. Food help us to grow. So these are all body building food. Pulses, milk, eggs or body building food. Pulses, already I told you that moong dal, green gram dal, tur dal. Your mummy will prepare daily sambar, isn't it? In the sambar, your mummy will put that grains, isn't it? That parpu ellam potu dhaan sambar vepaanga. So that the proteins, will get proteins from that pulses. So pulses, milk you have to drink daily, egg you have to take 1 egg. So these are all body building food. Okay, they build up our bones and muscles. Okay, they build. If you eat this one, you'll get more energy. You'll get body building food. These are all body building food. Name 2 food items from the picture. So name 2 food items from the picture. See, they have given here milk, meat. So there are many items. Egg. So there are lot of items here. You can see there, isn't it? Okay. These are all body building food. Next one, protective food. Protective food. Protective means this. They have given the picture here. Leafy vegetables. So that for cauliflower we have leaf, isn't it? Carrot, radish. So these are all very good vegetables too. You should eat more. If you eat, some disease will cure. It will develop your deficiency disease. நம்ம வந்து ஒரு சிக்க ஐட்டம்னாலே நம்ம வந்து வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் எல்லாம் கண்டிப்பாக சாப்பிடணும். So orange is a good fruit. This vitamin is a banana, apple, carrot, lady's finger, cauliflower, brinjal. These are all protective food. இது வந்து சாப்பிட்டா வந்து நமக்கு நோவே வரவே செய்யாது, isn't it? Now we have a corona, isn't it? So we should keep our body more. We have to get strength, isn't it? So you should keep your body. You should develop your body by eating this food. Okay, orange, carrot, cauliflower. So these are all the protective foods. Fruits and vegetables are called protective foods. Fruits and vegetables are called protective foods. பழங்களும் காய்கறியும் அது வந்து என்ன சொல்ல protective. It helps us to cure your disease also. It is very good for your health. They help us to stay healthy. These food prevents us from falling sick. நம்ம வந்து உடம்பு சரியில்லாமல் இருக்கும் போது இதெல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டா தான் நம்ம வந்து நல்லா இருக்க முடியும். இதெல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டா நம்ம வந்து எப்படிவே ஃபீவர் வந்துடும், ஹெட் பெயின் வந்துடும், ஸ்டமக் பெயின். We won't get energy. So day by day you should eat daily 1 fruit or 2 fruit. You should eat daily vegetables. Okay. Food prevent us from falling sick. Which protective food do you like to eat? So in this vegetable, what do you like to eat? Somebody will like carrot, somebody will like cauliflower, isn't it? Okay, you should eat vegetables. If your mummy is preparing, she don't say, mummy எனக்கு இஷ்டம் இல்லைன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. So all the vegetables in your mummy, while your mummy is preparing, you have to eat. Okay? Okay. Next we want to learn about water. Water is the main thing. Isn't it? தண்ணி குடிக்காம நம்மளால இருக்கவே முடியாது. So our body needs a lot of water. Our body needs a lot of water. நம்ம பாடிக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப தண்ணி தேவைப்படும். So water help us to digest the food we eat. நம்ம என்ன சாப்பிட்றோமோ தண்ணி குடித்தாதான் அது வந்து டைஜஷன் ஆகும். ஓகே, இட் help us in throwing out the undigested food from our body. நம்ம சாப்பாடு சாப்பிட்டு முடிச்சோன்னே தண்ணி குடிக்கலன்னா எப்படி இருக்கும்? இட் ஓன்ட் டைஜஷனே ஆகாது. நம்ம நல்ல சாப்பாடு சாப்பிட்டதுக்கப்புறம் தண்ணி நிறைய குடிக்கணும். ஸோ தட் ஒன்லி இந்த ஸ்டமக்கில் இருக்கிற ஃபுட்டெல்லாம் டைஜஷன் ஆகி இட் வில் கம். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் we should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. எவ்வளோ கிளாஸ் தண்ணி குடிக்கணும்? டெய்லி 6 glasses to 8 glass தண்ணி நீங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக குடிக்கணும். How many glasses of water do you drink every day? நீங்கள் எத்தனை glasses தண்ணி குடிப்பீங்க? நீங்கள் எத்தனை கிளாஸ் ஆஃப் வாட்டர் நீங்கள் டெய்லி குடிப்பீங்க? ஓகே, யூ ஷுட் ட்ரிங்க் 6 to 8 glass of water. Next, cooking food. Your mother will prepare, isn't it? We cook most of the things before we eat them. Isn't it? We cook most of the things before we eat them. See, some vegetables like carrot நம்ம குக் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடியே எடுத்து நம்ம சாப்பிட்றோம். isn't it? Raw. You should eat raw also. And radish, tomatoes and fresh fruits can be eaten raw. So you can see there. நம்ம வந்து லேடிஸ் ஃபிங்கர் பச்சையாக சாப்பிட்லாம், கேரட்டும் பச்சையாக சாப்பிட்லாம். ஓகே, ஆஃப்டர் தட் யூ கேன் சி பிரிஞ்சால் ஆஃப்டர் குக்கிங் டைம் யூ கேன் eat. This one cauliflower, after mother is preparing gobi manchuri you can eat, isn't it? Do you like? Okay, these are all fruits and vegetables. Okay, people who do not eat fish, ஜனங்க வந்து சில பேர் இருப்பாங்க ஃபிஷ்ஷை சாப்பிட மாட்டாங்க, முட்டை சாப்பிட மாட்டாங்க. ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு பேர் என்னது? we call it as vegetarians. They won't eat non-vegetarians. ஃபிஷ் எல்லாம் சாப்பிட மாட்டாங்க. So this when the vegetables they are eating, that we call it as a vegetarians. Understood? Next, people who eat fish, ஜனங்க வந்து சில பேர் மீன், முட்டை, கறி சம்மந்தப்பட்டதெல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டா அவங்க பேர் வந்து non-vegetarian. So we call it as a non-vegetarian. People who eat vegetables, we call it as vegetarian. People who eat egg, fish, meat, so they are called non-vegetarian. We should eat food at regular intervals. நம்ம வந்து கரெக்டான டைமில், ஃபிக்ஸ்ட் டைமில் தான் நம்ம வந்து சாப்பாடு சாப்பிடணும். unwanted time you should not eat the food. Understood? Okay, thank you. So today's homework, this page number 33, food we eat. You should read page number 33. Page number 33, you should read page number 33 and page number 34. You should read one time. Thank you.